and gentlemen, welcome back to another Eating in the Truck video. Now, I know we've done noodles before. I'm pretty sure we've done noodles before. If not, we're doing noodles. We're going to heat them up in the coffee pot. Now, I'm not putting the noodles in the coffee pot. If you watched the last video that I think that we did, you'll see that what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat the water up in the coffee pot, put my noodles in a bowl, pour the boiling water over there, cover it up, let it sit until they're moist. I like doing that because I don't have to drain all the water out of it. It soaks up all the water, and it's good like that. And we got another special ingredient to put into them. I'll show you what this is later. So, let's get started. I'm going to go with 3 because I usually end up pouring some of it back in here. This bowl will melt in the microwave after about a minute or two. So now, and what I'm going to do this time, normally I have been putting the seasoning on there, but I'm going to go ahead and put the seasoning on first. And now, I don't know how much these noodles cost. Maybe a quarter, maybe more, maybe less. This was kind of expensive though. I paid $5 for this. Even though I could have done it myself. Alright. Now, what I'm gonna do, let's put some garlic sauce on it. Since it wanted out here so bad. Put some garlic sauce. Sauce. Powder! I do like this on my noodles, of course. And like, if you watched the last video, you know I do like cayenne pepper too. So, I'm going to season it this time before I put my water in it. I don't like a lot of cayenne pepper. I like just a little bit. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of seasoning here, a little bit of seasoning down there, that way it mixes it up good. Now we got seasoning on both sides, top and bottom. Water is almost done. And now if you hadn't seen the last noodle video, what I do is I put the water in here, close it up. It's just a process, that's all. Different ways to try it. So we're gonna have different secret ingredients for noodles, you know, throughout from time to time. And then normally take these noodles and split them in 4. This time I'm just going to do it in 2. Hopefully that works out. I don't know. And I don't know if I normally put 3 or if I put 4 cups of water in there. I'm not real sure. I can't never remember. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to put enough in there for them to float this time. We put the plate on. And we wait maybe yes, it's late. I'm gonna wait 7 minutes though, is what I'm gonna wait. That should be good. We could probably make a whole series of cooking videos out of putting different stuff in noodles just to see how it tastes that we've never tried before. Probably make a whole series out of that. hot water make cold water go stale? I mean stagnant or sour? But yes, we did put the seasoning. Oh, see there, it's already softening up. And I might actually, watch this time, have too much water in it. Because I did put more than normal. I did, it just says, you know, I did put more than I normally put. I don't think it'll be too much of it. But, I'm going to go ahead and start warming the secret ingredient up. Now this might be a complete disaster. I don't know. The water is not too hot. I wonder what's going on here. Oh, look at that! Look at that! It's actually turning out. Looks like pretty good. Alright, so this is what we're doing right here. I am actually cutting up some sausages. And we're going to put the sausages they're soaked in barbecue. If we put every bit of this sausage into the bowl of the what 30, we'll say 30 cents, 20. If we put if we put this entire $5 worth of sausages in with the noodles, well, the noodles, they was about what, I think they're like what, 30 cents a bag now. I'm not real sure. I buy them by the box. It would be like, well, we'll go with $5.50 for the price tag of this meal. All right, now I don't know. Have you ever been to a noodle, the ramen noodles restaurants? Okay, this is kind of my ideal. It's kind of like what they do. If you've never been to one, you should look them up. I mean, I don't know that you don't see them just everywhere, but they're out and about. I went to one in Utah, somewhere near Salt Lake. I don't know if it was in Salt Lake, but it was near Salt Lake. I'm not 100% sure what kind of sausages these are. I got them at the truck stop. I just know they're sausages and they're marinated in barbecue. That's what I know. Alright. Let's got them all. Except that piece. Yeah. It's got them all. Now, that, I mean, tastes pretty dang good to me. That's, like I say, I want every single bite to have it, you know, sausage in it. Now, I'm hoping that the water doesn't affect the barbecue taste, is what I'm hoping. We'll find out here in a minute. But maybe it's not too much. I mean, maybe it's not too much. this contraption. Well, it's not bad. First bite. It's really not. Let me get. I think the water maybe. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. Because now we've got barbecue-y type noodle meaty taste. It's pretty good. It's not bad. A little less water maybe would have been the ticket. Let's take a couple more bites and see. Alright, see, this is really actually good. On a scale from 1 to 10 for noodles, I'll give it a... It's off the chain, man. It's really off the chain. So is the tuna and noodles. I know I'm pretty sure I've done tuna and noodles before on video. And the tuna and noodles is a lot better, but it mixes up a lot better. Where this is chunks, the tuna and noodle, it spreads out a lot better. But as far as taste-wise, I mean, taste-wise, it's not bad. I would give it a most definite for noodles. 7 out of 10. Easily a 7 out of 10. It's bussin'. It's bussin'. Bussin', buddy. It's that. I really like that. I like that. That's got a good taste to it. I know we got water in here. And a lot of times that's how I like to drink the water just out of it. It's actually not bad. Just the right amount. Man, I tell you what, unlike most bowl of noodles, I'm getting pretty full right now. You know, when I was a kid, I wouldn't even eat noodles. When I was younger, even when I was a young adult, like in my 20s, I would not eat a noodle. Would not eat them for nothing. I didn't care how hungry I was. But man, if I would have just thought to fix something like this, then Lord have mercy. 1,000 ways to cook noodles. 1,001. I don't know. I had a buddy years and years ago that run that idea through my head. I think it was 101 different ways or 1,001 different ways. Might have been 1,000,000 different ways, I don't know, to cook noodles. Maybe I should have listened. good. A lot of the sausages, I mean, down at the bottom, but that was sausage I never bite. And if you enjoyed the barbecue sausages in the noodles, which I always use beef noodles. I always use beef noodles. If you enjoyed the video, found any humor out of it, made it useful in any type of way, well, hit that thumbs up button. If you hadn't subscribed, subscribe. If you want to. If you don't want to, don't worry about it. But somewheres, you know, there'll either be a video or the playlist or video playlist, something like that. Check out one of my other videos. I'll catch you somewhere down the road. Thanks for watching.